Good afternoon. I
Good
welcome you
afternoon.
all. Creative visualization will help you to earn more money in next month than you are earning in this month. Dr. Shara Chintanwala is pioneering creative visualization. She has an unstoppable faith that if you do a visualization in a certain way, it can literally reprogram your mind, your subconscious mind, that can help you or that can make your dream comes true. Saraji has a roller coaster ride in her life. She has been into lots of ups and downs, but her unstoppable will made her overcome all the obstacles and made her a woman you can learn from. She is a homeopathy doctor. She is mind, body, and soul healer using science of spirituality. She is a chakra healer as well and quantum energy practitioner. Creative visualization expert, no doubt, counselor and motivational speaker. Today, she is going to make us understand the science of thoughts and emotion with creative visualization that can actually design your brain for what you want in your life. I welcome Dr. Sara Chintanwala ji to take us to this journey to creative visualization. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Amar. Thank you so very much for the lovely introduction. And yes, friends, this afternoon, I'm going to be able to even explain very, very simply science behind the thoughts and emotions, which is the reason of what you are today. अगर हम आज जो भी है, कुछ भी है, जिस तरह से है, वो हमारे विचारों से है, भावों से है, और इसके पीछे एक साइंस है. Being a doctor, it was not just easy for me to accept कि हाँ विजुअलाइजेशन काम करता है या सिर्फ विचारों से हम अपनी ज़िंदगी बदल सकते हैं. शुरुआत मेरे से ही हुई थी. आज से करीबन 25 साल से ज़्यादा मैं उस मुकाम में थी where I was with a lot of कुछ एक्सीडेंट्स हुए थे, हेड इंजरीज हुई थी, फॉल्स हुई थी, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट एक पर्टिकुलर हेडेक होता था मुझे, जो यहाँ पे शुरू होता था और यहाँ ये पॉइंट पे अगर शुरू होता था, कोइंसिडाइंग विद दिस पॉइंट, मुझे मालूम था ये 3 दिन की फुर्सत नहीं जाने वाला है. और उसी तरह इवन माई बैक वॉज इन द वर्स्ट पॉसिबल शेप. फॉर मी 10 मिनट से ज़्यादा बैठना नामुमकिन था. पेशेंट्स को देखते देखते मैं खड़े हो जाते. आई कुडंट हेल्प इट. आई जस्ट यूज्ड टू स्टैंड अप बिकॉज I was not able to sleep. Sleep used to come to me just out of actually feeling completely exhausted and tired at night. Toss turn. शायद पूरी तरह से थक कर सो जाती थी. नींद नहीं आती थी. तो एक प्रकार से आई थिंक बैक एक तो मेरी एक जिंदगी का हिस्सा बन गया था. एंड द टाइम व्हेन पहले 1 टैबलेट, फिर 2 टैबलेट, took a lot of homeopathy also. I am a homeopath. And then came a time जहाँ 1 गोली और 2 गोली पेन किलर्स काम नहीं कर रही थी. I went on increasing, and there was a time when 2 combi flams at a time and at least 2-3 times a day. So about 5 to 6 painkillers a day, almost about 4 to 5 times a week. मुझे ये पता था कि दिस इज द मोस्ट रिडिकुलस थिंग एंड द मोस्ट डेंजरस थिंग आई वाज डूइंग. सो कहीं ना कहीं इसके ऊपर मुझे रोक लगाना बहुत ज़रूरी था. बीइंग अ डॉक्टर, आई न्यू व्हाट पेन किलर्स कैन डू, स्पेशली टू योर किडनीज. So of course, going back then, sometime I think it was 96, approximately in those years, when I was undergoing this whole spell, hearing about Ramdev Baba, hearing about meditation and pranayam and all that, I said, चलो इतना सारा उसमें ये है कि भाई it is so completely, everybody used to say everything gets healed with pranayam. I mean, that's what I'd heard. So I said, why shouldn't I try it? So I just went. I used to go up on my terrace, very early riser. So as the sun used to rise, I used to just visualize the whole sun energy entering my whole body. I used to focus it on my back and my head. Don't ask me why I did it. I had not read about this anyway कि ऐसे visualize करो तो कुछ होता है. सिर्फ मैं चालू की. शायद जर्नी ही मेरी ये थी, ये मेरे कार्मिक चॉइस एंड कार्मिक पर्पस एंड कार्मिक जर्नी है. So I guess I got into this, and I used to visualize this whole thing, inhaling a complete energy into my body and exhaling a dark smoke out, which I used to visualize कि पूरी सारी तकलीफ, दर्द, stress is going out of my body. Within a week, headache का problem तो काफी solve हो गया, जो at least 3 to 4 times a week था. I thought कि my tablets, because at least of the headache was a little reduced, headache भी कम था. And it was 3 weeks. Yes, 3 weeks to be exact, जहाँ कोई बैकएक नहीं, कोई हेडेक नहीं, कोई टैबलेट नहीं. From 5 to 6 tablets to no tablets. इनफैक्ट ऐसी स्थिति पे थी मैं कि जहाँ रात को नींद नहीं आ रही थी बिकॉज ऑफ द बैक एक. आई थिंक मुझे थोड़ा सा डिस्कम्फर्ट था कि दर्द कहाँ गया. इट हैड बिकम सच एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ मी कि आई यूज्ड टू लिटरली फील के देयर इज अ पार्ट ऑफ माई बॉडी मिसिंग. सो देयर इन बिगैन माई जर्नी ऑफ trying to then understand what is it that worked. See, as I told you before, I'm a doctor. I can't just accept कि ऐसे visualize करने से इंसान ठीक हो सकता है. I needed to know the science behind it. I needed to know what exactly works to create. I shall start my PPT with first the science of thought. So as y'all can see over here, it's the power of thoughts. So when a person thinks about something, he unconsciously produces vibrations which are generally dispersed and ultimately lost. तो जब हम सोचना चालू करते हैं, इनफैक्ट सोचना चालू नहीं करते, हम सोचते ही रहते हैं. It is not something which you can start or stop. We are all the time thinking. So as we are thinking now, the brain is actually producing vibrations because of our thoughts. Now, if I just move out of this particular subject a little bit into the science of it, it is all research. Today when I speak, I'm going to talk completely of research. So it has been researched as per quantum physics and science. There is a huge research going on to the level where they actually they plug you on with the EEG and ECG, and then they put the subject to think a thought and then to feel the thought that is being thought, and then they check the EEG and they check the ECG and then check the whole body. This is the way the whole research is going on. So what they have realized is that when you're continuously thinking, there are just vibrations and waves of form. We know about the alpha, beta, delta, theta waves, which will come later. But these thoughts जो हम सिर्फ randomly सोचते ही जाते हैं, उसकी vibrations होती है, but it just gets dispersed. For example, you can see the sun out here just now. Sun की energy पूरी earth पे है. But it is just dispersed energy. The whole earth is getting the sun. But what if you start focusing that sun energy? For example, अगर हमने एक paper लिया, एक magnifying लिया, and we try to focus the sun's energy through the magnifying glass, and now a focus pinpoint on the paper. You see the paper burning. That is what happens when the whole energy gets focused. So now, in the same way, if we become conscious of our thoughts and vibrations, concentrate them, give them the complete power and energy from our mind, huge amount of energy is released, just as you're able to actually burn a hole in the paper when the focused sun energy falls from the magnifying glass and gets tapered and gets focused on the paper. Similarly, अगर हमारा thoughts totally focus हो जाते on a particular thing, it creates huge energy. So when we say thoughts create energy and they get disturbed, that's the unconscious vibrations. When focused thoughts are there with huge power, huge concentration, तो इसकी एनर्जी ही बहुत ज़्यादा पावरफुल हो जाती है. So it has been understood and found out that thoughts is vibrations, energy and waves. They have actually found the whole energy as pattern of waves. Quantum science के हिसाब से, there was a book which I read, I think it is by Dr. Amit Goswami. He says कि ये सारी चीज़ें waves के हिसाब से हैं. जब हम focus करते हैं, तो आप and every possible thing, you can just imagine and think of every possibilities available in the universe in the form of energy, in the form of wave patterns. तो जब आप एक चीज के ऊपर फोकस करते हैं, आपके थॉट्स जब फोकस करना चालू करते हैं, जो वाइब्रेशंस है, when they get focused on these waves that are going, this one wave which has got a very strong energy from you collapses into the particular power of what you want. So that is how the thoughts vibrations work. So unconscious are the lost, so it's okay. But when you become
Saraji,
conscious,
excuse me, Saraji, are you trying to show a PPT? I see you are operating.
yes,
Yeah, we are not able to see that PPT. That's fine.
okay, okay. Just let me get back into this. Oh yeah, she told me I've got to do this. Okay. Is it okay? Are we able to see the screen, PPT?
No, ma'am, no.
No, ma'am, no.
I did what she told me to do. Entire screen उसके ऊपर शेयर करो और ये करो. Okay, I think now it's
Yeah, now it is visible.
Now it is starting. Yeah, now it's
Yeah?
starting. Yeah,
now is it okay?
yeah, it
Okay.
is okay. Ma'am.
So it's okay. I mean, the previous this I have already spoken about it. So it's the thoughts is equal to vibrations. The thoughts which are random, they are just lost. They come and they go and they come and they go. The thoughts which get focused are the thoughts which actually make the difference. So, as I said, they have been trying to understand and analyze what is the thoughts with emotions. How is that different? How is only thoughts as thoughts different from what is thoughts with emotions? Which they have found out that thoughts plus emotions induces the rise of temperature in certain zones of the brain. And not only that, this PPT of mine was made in about 2010-11 when I had first started this. So I mean, of course, the 11 years में थोड़ा सा changes किया है, but what has been researched now, the most beautiful aspect of what has been researched now, कि हमारे brain में neurons रहते हैं. Neurons are what is, that connects and the links between all the lobes and all in the brain. आपकी circuit है. It is your circuit, the neurons. The recent research shows that just as you have neurons in the brain, we thought कि सारे body में सिर्फ cells है. Cells, molecules, atoms, subatoms, we thought that is what the body was made of. Now they have also found out, and totally this has been actually now even documented, that the heart also has sensory neurites, approximately 40,000. So ये जो statement मैंने उस समय किया था, thoughts plus emotions induce a rise of temperature in certain zones of the brain, is because it is created from the heart. So the same thing which is affecting your brain is also being created in your heart when there is an emotion related to it. So when it's only a thought, that imprint is only in the brain, but whenever you have an emotion with it, आपका जो भाव रहता है उसके साथ, so it also starts making an imprint on the heart. This heat stimulates liberation of energy, and this energy, as I had just said, this is why the universe is full of waves, is through vibratory waves. So our thoughts our emotions create an energy which we liberate from our body, from our mind, into the universe, thus creating the choices and every possibility in the universe. This is what we call quantum science and quantum physics. So now we all live in three planes: thoughts, feelings, and actions. If you really want to manifest something, अगर actually कुछ चाहते हैं, and जैसे all of us are thinking all the time. So if we say thoughts create what we want, so we should be continuously creating and continuously manifesting. But that's not so. We have also seen it's the thoughts with a feeling which brings into the action. And ये सारी चीजें, they should be in sync. They should all be actually become one. Simple बात है. You have your electricity in the house, but your tube light will not be on till you put a switch on. When you put on a switch, आपकी इलेक्ट्रिक करंट जहाँ से आनी है और ये ट्यूबलाइट से जुड़ना है, तब वो सिंक में जब आता है, only then when your tube light or your fan or your AC or whatever get connected and give the energy of light. If it is sound, it gives you the energy of sound. So whatever it is, anything which is an energy, which is a circuit, has to come into a sync. It has to get connected. So आपके thoughts and feelings should actually become one with each other. So visualize what you want, see it, feel it, believe it, make a mental blueprint out of it. So what do I mean by this sentence out here? See it, feel it, make a mental blueprint out of it. An architect, when he goes about making a plan, when you have called an architect to make your bungalow or a flat for you, he just doesn't say कि ठीक है मुझे जगह बता दो आप, मैं जाऊंगा अपने मेसन्स को लेकर जाऊंगा, बोले भाई तू यहाँ पे ईंट लगाना चालू कर दे, उसके बाद यहाँ पे ईंट लगाना चालू कर दे. नहीं, पहले वो एक पूरा एक पिक्चर बनाता है. ही मेक्स द मोस्ट एक्यूरेट प्लान ऑन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर, इवन विद द डायमेंशंस के विंडो इतना ऐसा होगा, बालकनी ऐसा होगा, यहाँ पे ये वॉशरूम होगा, यहाँ पे किचन होगा, एवरीथिंग इज ब्यूटिफुली प्लान्ड. After that plan is on paper, only then he starts putting it on the ground itself. Similarly, you have to make a complete blueprint of what you want in life. You can't be very, very random about it. कि आज मैं सोचती हूँ कि मुझे ये बनना है, जैसे as if when you're a child, आज मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है, a little मैं grown up हो जाती हूँ, नहीं मैं एयर होस्टेस बनूंगी, उसके बाद no, I'll become a model probably. So it's all random. We are all grown up. We are all in business and profession. So you have to have a plan. The 21-day program which was taken by Anuruddha, he had talked about making a plan. He had talked about how we must plan the business of what we want to do. To the level ke what is the amount you want at the end of the week? Probably start with the day, the week, the month, the year. So the plan and the goals also have to be made as short term, long term. All these things are beautifully explained by Anuruddha. Once you make that plan, तो ये visualization क्या करता है कि अगर हम जब सोचते हैं, हम सिर्फ सोचते रहते हैं, तो इसमें कुछ नहीं होता. एक गोल होना चाहिए, एक सपना होना चाहिए. That you have to breathe in energy into it. उसके पहले इसलिए हमको एक पूरा प्लान होना चाहिए, and that plan should be detailed. Of what do I want at the end of the day? What do I want at the end of this month? And what do I want at the end of the year? So first, you are the architect of your life. Plan it. You can even say, as we just said, this is a plan of the year. Then probably in 2 years' time, 5 years' time, 10 years' time, it should all be actually available to you in your mind. And very important, please do not leave it in the mind. Put it in a diary. What I have realized is a lot of times things do not work because people just say हाँ मैंने तो विजुलाइज कर लिया, मैं रोज विजुलाइज कर लिया, लेकिन आपने प्लीज उसको कहीं ना कॉन्क्रीट किया क्या? क्योंकि यहाँ से ये एनर्जी है, एनर्जी आती जाती डिस्पर्स हो जाती है, इसलिए दोबारा दूसरे थॉट्स भी आते हैं, दूसरे प्लान्स भी आते हैं। बिकॉज हम किसी के यहाँ गए और बहुत सारा अच्छा देखा, हमको वो भी लगता है कि हम ये भी ऐड कर सकते, उस समय बहुत सारी रैंडम चीजें आ जाती है, वो फोकस नहीं रहता है। बट जो आप चाहते हो उसे आपने एक डायरी में लिखना है, एक प्लान पूरा लिखकर उसके बाद यू हैव टू कंटिन्यूअसली एवरी डे गो थ्रू द प्लान। सो द बुक विच आई हैड रिटन इन थिंक सी एंड कॉन्कर, उसमें हैड सेड कि आप यू हैव टू मेक अ डायरी इन विच यू विल से फर्स्ट आपका गोल क्या है, एंड देन आपने लिखना है हैव्स and have nots. Haves में all that is what you have. For example, you want to start up a textile industry. You want a whole factory. The first आपके haves में क्या होगा कि I have this as my goal first. ठीक है, concrete वो अभी नहीं है। उसके साथ आपके क्या है और? Do you have the place, the plot and this? If you don't have, then you put it into have nots. I will need a place, I'll need a factory. So jitni sari cheezein, I have the knowledge, I have the complete knowledge of the textile, so put it down in the haves. So everything you have in wanting to make up a textile industry, you put it in your haves. Now what do you not have? Finances. What do you not have? People. So ye sari cheeze puts into have nots, and every day start working on it and then plan ke ye week mein mujhe ye karna hai, ye karna hai. So say suppose you say in 3 months my factory should be set up. So जितने आपके have nots है कि अब मेरे पास जगह आ गई है तो haves में आता है, मेरे पास finances आ गया तो यहाँ have not में निकाल के haves में आता है। So इस तरह से जितना concretely हम एक डायरी बनाते हैं and haves and have nots करते हैं, we know कि जो have nots है how much have we to start working on it. So you've got to start planning it and visualizing it. And the visualization you do, you have to continuously learn to visualize having it all receiving it. We'll come to it later. I'll make it more simpler and more in detail. So you're making a mental picture of that and you're making a concrete picture of it. And very, very important is when we talked about emotions, when we talked about the heart having the sensory neurites, when we talked about emotions actually making the energy very profound, you have to start feeling it. Right from day one, when you have planned your industry, start living the industry in your visualization. You're already going to feel the joy. यहाँ पे तो अभी सिर्फ प्लान बना है कि यहाँ पे ये यूनिट सेट होगा, यहाँ पे मशीन होगा, यहाँ मेरी ऑफिस होंगी, whatever. But in your mind, you're living it. You're already sitting in your unit. You're getting your orders. Your men are working. And the joy of the day when the उद्घाटन होने का और चालू हो जाएगा, वो joy start feeling it every day. I know, सोचेंगे कि हम फील कैसा चालू करेंगे जब तक हमारे पास कोई चीज़ आती नहीं है. But that is what we keep telling people. Reality जो है, जो भी है, वो आपने ही बनाई है आपके प्रोग्रामिंग माइंड से. जो हम चाहते हैं, whatever you wish to now achieve, you have to make it a reality by believing it's already happened. The more you believe it, the more you feel it, the more you live it, it starts becoming your new reality. So it's extremely important to start feeling it. Why am I bringing this slide here? The brain and the brain waves. The reason is we have 4 stages. As I said, मैं थोड़ा सा science और medical भी लाऊंगी, but इतना it will not be so difficult to understand. It will be very simplified. There is an alpha, beta, delta, theta state. Beta state अगर नहीं रहेंगे, नहीं रहता है, you will not be able to understand anything I'm speaking. It is the state of awareness, the state of consciousness, जहाँ हम लोगों से बात करते हैं, हम we imbibe, जो लोग हमें बोलते हैं, we are able to understand all that, जो awareness है, that is all the beta state. Beta state is very important to have, because if it is not there, you can't understand, you cannot comprehend anything. Excess of beta state is the state of stress. If you go into the excess of beta state, this is what happens. Because the rapid wave, forget that, your alertness and concentration इसमें रहता है. लेकिन जब बहुत ज़्यादा excessive beta state में जाते हैं, you go into the stress, the disharmony, and all that which we are facing in the times today, because we are all in excess beta state. ये कैसे होगा, ये कैसे करना है, ये नहीं हो रहा है, लोग नहीं आ रहे, बिजनेस नहीं चल रहा है, इतना पैंडेमिक में इतना फियर था, फियर, all your negative emotions are all in the beta state. Beta state releases something which we call cortisols, जो आपकी बॉडी की इम्यूनिटी कम कर देता है. So बीटा स्टेट जितनी इम्पोर्टेंट भी है, एक्सेस बीटा स्टेट इज नथिंग बट हार्मफुल. It is the cause of every illness and everything we are living today. Next we come to the alpha state, which is a relaxed state. जहाँ हम meditations use करते हैं, जो भी चीज़ आप enjoy करते हैं, you're watching a movie, you're reading a book, you're listening to music, you're going into the beta state. It improves your memory, it improves your concentration, आपकी efficiency, आपकी thought process, decision making ability, everything is improved in the beta state, alpha state. And alpha state is the gateway to the subconscious mind. Subconscious mind program करना है तो हमेशा से you have to be in the alpha state, which is the reason we put you first into a relaxed stage before we take you into visualization or meditation or anything. And alpha state releases those kind of hormones and chemicals जो आपको theta और delta state में लेकर जाता है. और theta and delta state is the state where we are healing our body, the deep state of sleep. I don't want to go into the detail, इसलिए मैंने skip किया. So important fact to show you over here is the alpha state and the beta state. You need to relax, you need to take out time for yourself. कोई भी काम करने से पहले, स्पेशली कोई भी important काम करने से पहले, make sure आप थोड़ा सा relax हो जाते. Clarity of mind comes in that state. So now what is the secret of mastery? क्योंकि हमें हमारे mind को master करना है. We have to master our thoughts. We have to master our mind. We have to be able to know how to use it. So as Gautam Buddha said is कि you are what you have thought. Coming back to thoughts, वही आता है. You are what you think. So today आज हम जो भी है, it is all because of the thoughts we have created. हमारे thoughts create a conscious belief system, and our belief system is created by everything that you have grown up with. बच्चे जब बहुत छोटे रहते हैं, they crawl and they will not know कि ये आग से तकलीफ होती है. They will go and touch a hot iron or even something like fire because they do not know. But the moment they touch the hot iron, जब जलता है तो एक पैटर्न फॉर्म होती है. This is something harmful. It caused pain. So in that process, एक belief system create होता है. So इसी हिसाब से all our belief systems are created by the parents who teach us something, our environment, our school, and all the things that we're learning in life. Now, all we are going to do is eventually, in the end, think about the subconscious mind, which I'll come to later. Now, what is the secret of mastery? जब तक इंसान कोई चीज रिपीट नहीं करता है, कोई चीज बार बार प्रैक्टिस नहीं करता है, you cannot master it. So whether it's visualization, whether it's affirmations, anything that you are doing when you want to lose weight, आप 4 दिन जिम में जाएंगे और फिर नहीं जाएंगे, you do not lose weight. Unless and until it is practiced over and over and over and over and over again, repeated over and over and over and over again, ये mastery आप नहीं पा सकते हो. Napoleon Hill is the one who has written the book, Think and Grow Rich. And he has put whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. By which he says, because he had studied the rich men, and he had understood after studying उनका सब mindset कि इन लोग ने पहले कोई चीज कंसीव की थी, अपने माइंड में कुछ प्लान किया था, उसे कंसीव किया था, उसको सोचा था, उसका पिक्चर बनाया था, देन दे स्टार्टेड बिलीविंग इन इट. Unless and until you do not believe what you think and start feeling, the mind cannot achieve and you cannot achieve. So unless and until you start planning, start believing, start feeling, you can't manifest. Lifelong आप चलते जाए, आप चार, because I realize in so many years, बीच पे मेरा गैप होता था. I used to get into something, all the huge ups and downs in life, everything that was there. I used to just give up everything and then I used to wonder, यार ये उस समय तो 3 हफ्ते में हो गया, अब it's taken me 3-4 years, क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? Because there were gaps. So today I can definitely vouch and tell you that there is a complete science and there is a technique to it. You follow it and you can manifest it. So what probably took me so many years, today it would not take me. I mean, for anything that you want, it can be done in a proper way and you can achieve it. You can manifest what you want. So we have talked about all these things, that it's a universal law. We translate into physical reality everything जो हमारे दिमाग में रहता है. We start creating it. Conscious mind is the intellectual mind, subconscious mind is the emotional and the universal intelligence. जो भी सारी चीजें हैं, conscious mind एक belief system बन जाता है, और subconscious mind ऐसी चीजें हैं कि at this point of time also, whatever you are listening to me is going into your conscious belief system. But while you're sitting and आपके रूम में कोई आ रहा है, जा रहा है, or you're seeing my hand movement, or you're hearing your fan, that is not something, आपका focus उसके ऊपर नहीं है. But your subconscious is picking up every single minutest detail of probably आपके screen पे क्या है, somebody is putting a message, that's everything. The subconscious mind is like a sponge. It just keeps on absorbing. Subconscious does not know what is right and wrong. It just gives and takes and gives and takes. It's the conscious belief system which says, नहीं ये मेरे लिए सही नहीं है, ये मेरे लिए गलत है, and इसलिए वो belief system में रहते हैं. तो we cannot move ahead because अरे भाई मेरे पास इतने पैसे हैं, you think I can become a billionaire? Why? Because we have been taught जितनी चादर उतने पैर फैलाओ, इससे ज्यादा बढ़ो मत. वो belief system बन गया है, इससे ज्यादा आगे जाना ही नहीं है. But you can go beyond. Subconscious can give you a lot of everything that it has ever heard of, seen or picked up, and give you ideas. The whole thing lies in programming the subconscious mind, and that is always done with repetition and practice. So vision is built with the conscious mind, and when you feel it emotionally, you're connected to the entire universe. We can go into that later. I think this is now. Okay, now this is something which I really wanted to show over here, is why we say that thoughts are so important and they can create. Masaru Emoto, he was a Japanese researcher, scientist and a visionary, and he did an experiment on the molecules of water, the structure of water. What he did was that he took, say, 6 glasses of water if I keep in front of you. And for example, this is a bottle. This is a bottle of water, and the similar you have 6. So you put a sticker over here of certain words. In the same way, 6 glasses of water, the water was taken from the same source. The only difference was there were different words stuck on each glass as a sticker. He left it for 24 hours, froze it, and after 24 hours, from every glass, he took one droplet of that icicle and he studied under the microscope. And this is the result. So the glass of water which had heavy metal music, "You make me sick, I will kill you," and Adolf Hitler, this is the structure of water under the microscope with these words written outside and only kept for 24 hours. Water is from the same source, only the words have changed. And this is the effect of water molecule with the words thank you, love, appreciation, and Mother Teresa. And as in this slide we have also seen, our human body consists of over 70% of water, and so does our planet Earth. How important it is to start thinking positive, to start thinking right, and not continuously complain, be in anger, be all the time into saying मैं बीमार हूँ, मुझे सर दर्द है, मेरी तो तबीयत ठीक ही नहीं रह रही है. अगर यही words आप बोलते जा रहे हो, what are you going to get? So when we say we can heal our body, is you've got to visualize, send gratitude to your body. You can actually even say thank you, I love you to your hand and your body and your head and everywhere. Do that. Do that. This is there in front of you. I mean, it looks like somebody's just made a beautiful ring and put over there in this thank you and love and appreciation and Mother Teresa. You can make beautiful jewelry out of this. This is the way your cells and molecules of the body is when you send gratitude, love, appreciation to your body. It is now up to you to actually create what you have or what you choose to have and uncreate all the things that you have created wrong. Which is why it's very important to speak and visualize and think the right, positive and loving words. So this is just a little bit of this. Now we come to what is visualization. It is the art of forming a vibrant and detailed picture in your mind of whatever you wish for and want it to happen, which we talked about how the architect actually creates. Visualize what you want, see it, feel it, believe it and make a mental blueprint of it. वो भी हमने देखा. Visualization is what gives you the clear perspective and it gives actually visualization क्या करता है, आप सपने देखते हैं लेकिन visualize उसको manifest करने को देता है. It makes it actually what you want. जो physical aspect आपका सपने का है, that is what visualize helps you create. It makes it physical. What you just had in your mind, it makes it a physical manifestation. Now, whether you want for your health, whether you want for your relationships, whether you want for money, choice is yours. So, your body is like a transmission tower and visualization transmits the story of your life. Yes, that is true. And these are the 7 chakras. I do a lot of work on the chakras. ये हमारी 7 chakras जो है ना, यहाँ पे आपके जो negative emotions block होते हैं. And just as you have a transmission tower, you can't see कि भाई आपके टीवी में या आपके मोबाइल में जब आप ऑन करते हैं, you don't see it coming from the universe, कहीं से आसमान से आते और फिर आपके स्क्रीन पे आता है. It is just there. It's just vibrations. Similarly, your whole body is like a transmission tower. And whatever you're thinking, your body is transmitting the energy. And whatever energy you're transmitting from your body, you're attracting from the universe. And that becomes a picture of your life. So you've got to be very, very clear and sure of what you are continuously thinking, because this aura that you see, this whole circles that you see, it's your energy field. And that is what is surrounding you. And आपकी energy field में जो आप लेकर घूमते हो, जो आपके thoughts and emotions से create होता है, that is what you are getting from the universe. And the 7 chakras that you see over here, the red one, which is the root chakra, which is something which grounds you to the earth. अगर ग्राउंडेडनेस नहीं रहता है, स्टेबिलिटी नहीं रहती है. स्टेबिलिटी नहीं रहेंगी, इनसिक्योरिटीज रहेंगी, फाइनेंशियल इंस्टेबिलिटी रहेंगी. एंड दिस इज द there's some disturbance. I think somebody's mic is on or something. Okay. You all are able to hear me, I hope.
Yeah, ma'am, we are able to hear you.
Thank you, Amar. So, why we are talking, when we are talking about emotions and we are talking about thoughts, first thing that you need to do when you want financial stability, security, work security is you got to improve your root chakra. The emotions and the root chakra are, which is, I mean, that's a completely different seminar and a workshop altogether. Just to briefly tell you, it's stabilizing you in your workforce. It's your roots. It grounds you. अगर यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम रहता है, रूट चक्र में प्रॉब्लम रहता है, आपके इमोशंस उसमें ब्लॉक हो जाते हैं, बिसाइड्स फाइनेंशियल इंस्टेबिलिटी वगैरह, जो आपके लोअर बैक प्रॉब्लम्स, सेक्सुअल प्रॉब्लम्स, कॉन्स्टिपेशन, वो सारी चीजें प्रॉब्लम आती है. दिस इज ऑन द मेडिकल फ्रंट. When you go up on the orange, that is 2 inches below your navel, that is called the Swadhisthana chakra. That is a chakra of your creativity. For women, it's the uterus, etc. वो जो रहता है, the kidneys रहती हैं, यहाँ पे ये organs रहते हैं. So emotions वहाँ पे block होते हैं, तो आपके वो related organs में problem जाते हैं. You'll have problem with your kidneys, you'll have problem with your menses, you'll have problem with your sexual problem, etc. वो सारी चीजें होती है. And it is a site of creation. It's the site of your self-worth. What I am as a woman. So जहाँ पे वो सब चीज प्रॉब्लम आती है, you start having the emotional blocks in your Swadhisthana chakra. Coming up, you see the yellow part, that's 2 inches above the navel, that is your digestive system. Digestion. खाना जो आपने खाया, digest नहीं हुआ, you may get gastro, you may get food poisoning, you may get loose motions, diarrhea वगैरह वगैरह. So यहाँ पे इमोशन क्या है? मुझे बात हजम नहीं हो रही है. जो कोई बोलता है, this is also called the hara, your umbilical region, just close to your umbilical region, your connection and your relationship to the world. Your relationships is from this area. When your relationships are not good, this gets affected. It affects your relationships and it causes all the digestive problems. Your liver, बहुत ज़्यादा fear वगैरह रहता है, गुस्सा रहता है, liver में जाता है. When you keep on putting it within you, it goes into creating diabetes also. बहुत गुस्सा रहता है, it starts creating acidity. So you will see your emotions is creating a problem everywhere, your thoughts and your emotions. Going above the greenish part is your heart. Heart is a place for love. Not necessarily love between a man and a woman and a girlfriend and a boyfriend. It could be love between your siblings, it could be love with your partner, your colleagues, your parents. So जहाँ deprived of love रहता है, जहाँ betrayal of love रहता है, और उसे मैं एक बहुत ज़्यादा महसूस करती हूँ. I'm not able to give up that feeling of betrayal. Sorry. The organs related are the breast, the lungs, and the heart. You get heart blocks, cardiac blocks, you get lung issues, lung fibroids, you get breast tumors. So that is what happens with the emotions which are blocked in the heart. Then comes the blue part, the Vishuddhi chakra or the throat chakra. This is the site where if you are not able to voice your desires. एक मेरा एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं लूँ, एंड जब मैंने अपना चक्र एनालिसिस फर्स्ट टाइम किया था, माय रूट चक्र, स्वादिष्ठान चक्र एंड माय विशुद्धि चक्र वर teeny, very tiny, and I was wondering how can that be possible and why should that be possible. So yes, Please, can somebody mute the mic? Yeah.
वेबसाइट
So,
मैडम देखने के लिए बनाया ना वेबसाइट.
Hello.
can this person be muted, please? Hello?
Yes, muted.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you. So, to give my own example, you see, I was a sports person, I was an athlete, blessed to be a champion. And when I was in school, I was to be taken up for the training for further the inter-school. So, they wanted to probably train me up for nationals. But being from a little conservative family, especially about 40 years back, I wasn't allowed by my parents. Okay, nahi, bas inter-school tak ho gaye. You became the faster of runner. Be in Bombay. Be happy about that. And even gymnastics के लिए मुझे आगे नहीं जाने दिया. तो एक and I was not able to speak up कि नहीं मुझे करना ही है. Gave in to everything. Root chakra is also issues with parents. So I did have a problem. I did not speak up. So मेरा financial instability was there for some time. Secondly, my creativity, my self-worth, I did not allow. I had a lot of problem. Had I been a लड़का अगर मैं रहती तो ये मेरा प्रॉब्लम ही सॉल्व हो जाता. जस्ट बिकॉज मैं लड़की हूँ तो मुझे है ना एक तरह से एक फेमिनिटी, मेरी खुद की फेमिनिटी के ऊपर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि यार आई शुड नेवर हैव बीन अ वुमन. इसलिए मेरा स्वादिष्टान चक्र वीक था एंड माय थ्रोट चक्र. सो आई डिड हैव टॉन्सिल्स ऑल द टाइम because I was not able to speak up. So this is a very small example, but I have seen a lot of ladies, married ladies, they have their Vishuddhis because they were not able to speak up to their in-laws or to the husband. Is very aggressive. तो ये सारी चीजें देखी हैं हमने. And फिर बहुत सारी ऐसी लेडीज को थायराइड का प्रॉब्लम होता है. And जब पूरी एनालिसिस, that is the reason ये emotions, chakras have also helped me in my medical practice. I don't just analyze or diagnose कि भाई आपको liver problem है. I try to go into the emotions. Liver problem है, कौन सा emotion है, क्या digestion, and then when I really analyze deeply and I go into deep history, I do come to know कि हाँ कोई problem है. Most important is आप कितनी भी दवाइयाँ लो, जब तक आपके emotions release नहीं होते हैं आपकी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं सॉल्व होते. सो ये चक्रस के इमोशंस सिर्फ मेडिकल प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं क्रिएट करते, लाइफ प्रॉब्लम्स भी क्रिएट करते हैं. व्हेन योर थ्रोट चक्र विशुद्धि इज वीक, यू कांट बी अ गुड ओरेटर, कांट बी अ गुड स्पीकर. आप लोगों को कन्विंस नहीं कर पाओगे बहुत ज्यादा. यू हैव टू स्पीक अ लॉट टू कन्विंस पीपल. Those people who got a balanced throat chakra, उन्होंने कुछ बोला और कन्विंस हो गए लोग. They get that because chakra has got a right powerful energy. All the chakras have to be balanced. एक छोटा एक बड़ा भी नहीं होना चाहिए. Oh wow, I need because मैं तो speaker हूँ. No, very big विशुद्धि चक्र is also भी गलत है. बहुत ज्यादा हार्ट चक्र बड़ा है. Sorry, you will be the kind of person who will just give in to everything. Chakras have to be balanced as it is shown over here. Excuse me. Sorry and thank you. So then we come to this third eye chakra. This is the site of your intuitiveness, your decision making ability. And after that is a sign connect with the divinity, the seventh or the Sahasrara chakra. ये दोनों चक्र जब आपकी beliefs में you have stopped believing in divine, you get disconnected. मेरे साथ तो सब बुरा होता है, कुछ होता ही नहीं, भगवान तो कोई चीज है ही नहीं, I'm not able to think right and all that. So yeah, these two chakras get affected. So it is all thoughts and your emotions which actually yes become the story of your life, whether it is health or whether it is aspects of your life. आपका finances बोलो, आपके relationships बोलो, whatever it gets affected by none other than your thoughts and your emotions. Positive, loving, gentle, confident and words, kind words, they give messages to the brain which produces the right hormones. Sorry. I'm really, really sorry. I had a bath the last 2-3 days. So yes, this becomes important for your health and your so sorry. So I think we'll come to the benefits. When I have used visualization for the patients, I have used, as I used for myself, visualizing health. So visualization sessions भी अलग-अलग तरीके से रहता है. You want visualization for health? It's a different visualization. If you want visualization for your goal, it's a different visualization. If you want visualization for relationships, it's different. So there are different sessions that I give for whatever you want. Initially, when I used to take a visualization session, maybe for a workshop or a seminar, I used to just give a general, which I still do. But for somebody who comes to me on an individual level, I give you what you need, what you want, and only then. Yes, visualization has helped me to have the patients give up depressants, tranquilizers, hypertensive drugs. IBS has been treated very, very well with visualization. I have had people who have got IBS, and IBS is completely related to emotions. That is irritable bowel syndrome. समझ में नहीं, जो भी खाते हैं तो इमोशंस हो जाते हैं, एसिडिटी हो जाती है, वो सारी चीज़ें हो जाती है बहुत ज़्यादा. तो एंटासिड, तो एक्चुअली विजुअलाइजेशन डज हेल्प इन दैट. इवन पेन किलर्स, मेरे ही पेन किलर्स बंद हुए थे. सो देयर इज अ वे टू डू ऑल दिस इन विच यू, एज आई फर्स्ट सेड, आप एक पिक्चर बनाओ अपने माइंड में, पूरी तरह से उसको आप बिलीव करो, राइट इट डाउन, make a whole proper plan of it, and then for what you want, you've got to start visualizing for that. Important are also affirmations. So when we are putting yes first, I just talked about yes. So aapne pehle, the first step is plan a goal. Because if you've not planned a goal, then it is like that dispersed energy. मुझे ये भी करना है, नहीं, मुझे डॉक्टर नहीं बनना है, मुझे स्पीकर बनना है, नहीं, मुझे स्पीकर नहीं बनना है, आई थिंक मैं टीचर बननी है. So it's like that. Forget it. I've already become now. So for example, where I'm concerned, my aim and focus is just now on creating awareness of drugless therapy, making people understand that it's all in their mind and brain. So that's my focus, to create awareness of people using their own mind. So for that, what do? I have to write down everything that I need. Sometimes you have to use affirmations. I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry today. Affirmations, I have seen, is extremely important, especially in health. You want to lose weight. You want a particular weight. You are about, say, 70 kgs, you want to become 60. Your affirmation will be, I am 60 kgs, or I am perfect health. Affirmations always have to be in present tense. I am wealthy. I am healthy. I am happy. I am. Always in the present tense. Then there has to be focus. You've got to focus all your energies on goal that you have set up. जो पिक्चर आपने बनाया है, जो आपने लिखा है, जो विजन बोर्ड हम जो बोलते थे, focus on that. And very important, very, very important is faith. Without faith, it cannot work. If I do not believe that I'm going to become a billionaire, I can just create as much as I want, but that enforce है, that comes with your belief, faith. You've got to have that as a very strong foundation which you build your focus, affirmations, your goal, everything has to be built. Unless and until वो foundation नहीं है, ऊपर से गिर जाएगा. As we said, root चक्र नहीं होगा. Banyan tree की जड़ें बहुत मजबूत है, वो कभी भी नहीं हिलेगा, कितना भी तूफान आएगा. और जो छोटे मोटे प्लांट्स हैं, एक तूफान आया वो गिर जाते क्योंकि इसमें रूट मजबूत नहीं है. हमारे रूट्स जो है, that comes with your faith. It has to be very strong. Repetition and vision board. We have talked about the vision board, especially with Anirudh ji's workshop. We had talked about vision board, and those who had attended his 21-day workshop had made beautiful vision boards, and I was really happy about it. In your vision board, when you want to make a vision board, you've got to first decide. Say you want a house, आपने एक beautiful picture उसका लगा दिया. आप क्या, like I want to start my, say, a new clinic, so I have to actually also put the picture of a clinic over there. You want a particular X income, you have to put that also there. You can put a check up over there. So a car can come on your vision board. You can put your perfect health. That's also very important. I always say, please put your picture of perfect health. So in this way, when you have, and the vision board should be put in a place where you see it very often. It can be put in front of your bed. It can be put in on your table. You can even, in your office table के आप कांच के नीचे रख सकते हैं. अगर ऐसी कोई जगह है जहाँ बार-बार उसे, and most important today is you can put it as on your mobile as your screen saver. I do have a part of my vision board as my screen saver. Yeah, this is up, I don't know whether it is being seen or no, but I have put up over here because I want to do global traveling. So a part of my vision board, I had even shared it in the group. So like, okay, I am a speaker, I've put a globe, and I've put up a few countries. So that is how you make a vision board. So when you have a vision board, like I'll just give you all an example of something which I had done and an example of a person who had achieved this by a vision board. So when I had started my practice, my outside your clinic of Dr. Sara's Homeo Clinic and just DHMS. And when I got into this work, just out of the blue मुझे लगा कि अभी मैं ये visualization करा रही हूँ, batch flower therapy करा रही हूँ, and chakra healing करा रही हूँ. So I should add on all those things. So I changed that small little board to a huge board. It was by about 2.5 feet. 4 feet का बहुत लंबा board था. Dr. Sara Chimchanawala's Holistic Health Center. And to be honest, man, I did not even know much about holistic healing that time. And I put up over here pranayam and blah 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 सारी चीजें. This was somewhere around in 2008 approximately. And in 2009, I met a colleague, I met another person, and we formed something what we call the Integrated Healing Forum, wherein actually my holistic healing started. What happened was, even before I became a holistic healer or before I became into integrating of healing therapies. So when you've already put up a board of what you want, or you put up a vision board of already what you want, let that energy be dispersed in the and see it as often as you want. So people actually started seeing me as that. अब मैंने body लगा दिया था, so the universe had to give it to me. Similarly, I have this couple who had taken a complete 2-day workshop of this whole visualization, affirmations, complete everything, full 2 days, in which I had talked to them about the vision board and everything. Now his daughter, she was studying in Hyderabad if I'm not mistaken, and उनके college में campus selection के लिए there were 2 companies coming, and she told her father, I want in this particular company. So he said, you do one thing. I've been taught how to make a vision board, and you do this. ऐसी चीजें आप करो, ये vision board पे लगा दो. She went and जो company का उसको चाहिए था, she first went on Google and found out details about the company and उसका logo. She made the logo. She made a letterhead with the logo, the company, and the company giving her the letter of appointment. Okay, dear so and so, you've been appointed, the job profile which she wanted, and even she put on the how much she was going to get paid annual. She put it up on a vision board, and believe me, she did get the job in that company and very close to what she had wanted as the payment, the wages also. So this is how actually all these things work. And I had started earlier that there is so much research on it. We are still only stuck on all the belief systems that आज भी हम जी रहे हैं. In our own Gurukul, and we have so many healers and so many therapists. Sound therapy 100% works because everything is waves. And so sound is a wave. सारी चीज़ों में ये सारी थेरेपीज है, रेकी, प्राणिक, म्यूजिक थेरेपी, chakra healing, all the various therapies that we have such fantastic healers with us in this Gurukul. All you have to do is in sync with it. Now also trust me, like if Reet is doing the singing bowl, Tibetan bowl, access bars, ये कर रही है. Access bars मैंने भी किया है. But somehow that is not in sync with my energy. I cannot, even if I want to become, I cannot do it. That has become, and ये होता है. You know, when you start exploring therapies, it is something automatic. You become comfortable with the therapy that is comfortable for you. So with so many therapists over there, not necessarily everyone will go for access music therapy, or everyone will come to me for some kind of maybe visualization or whatever, or it is all individual. आप जाएंगे उसके पास जाएंगे and then उसके बाद आपको लगेगा नहीं मुझे ये से क्यों लगता है, because your energy is in sync with it. But the fact is you don't even know your energy, you don't even know yourself. We are not aware of ourselves as to who we are, what we are. And it's time to explore that. It's time to first go into an inward journey rather than going outward and exploring so many things out there. First, ask yourself, who am I? And yes, then you would say कि ये कैसे पता चलेगा कि भाई मैं कौन हूँ? इसका भी एक तरीका है. There is a way. There is a proper, beautiful meditation for this. Again, as we have seen earlier, there has to be practice and there has to be repetition. इसके बगैर possible ही नहीं है. कुछ भी possible नहीं है. Because if practice and repetition अगर ज़रूरत नहीं रहता, तो once you opened a new shop or you started a new venture, 4 दिन अगर नहीं चला तो change कर लो ना. कुछ नया वापस करो. अगर आज दवाई की दुकान डाली है, दवाई की दुकान नहीं चल रही है, तो कल साड़ी की दुकान डालो. 1 महीना नहीं चला, फिर आप और कुछ डालो. Why don't we do that? No, we keep on for years. So if I started my practice from day 1, I did not get 10 patients. I had to wait. It grew with my perseverance. It grew with my belief that यही है मेरे लिए. तभी जाकर over a period of years we grow. So when all these physical things are understood by us, that we do not lose patience in our work and all, and we stick to what it is, the same thing has to be for your own body. Start with this. This is the first temple that you own. Every cell of your vibration, and today every cell has उसकी जो energy है और उसका hertz है, वो भी identify research किया है. That is what the Healy device, which I have talked about earlier, that is what the Healy device does. Healy actually has 1,44,000 frequencies आपकी body की identify की है. That some researcher has done it. So that आप उस device को use करके you get in tune with your frequencies of the cells, you start repairing your cells, you start repairing your body. But if somebody had researched Healy के जरिए है, please study your own body. When you start going inward journeys and when you start understanding your body, you actually will sometimes be able to, when you sit and you again go in your inward journey, you'll be like, yaar, aaj koi, even if there is no symptom, trust me, if there is no symptom also, you'll feel yaar, शायद liver आज problem में है, कुछ तो लग रहा है. There's no symptom, but your body has become sensitive to picking it up even when it has started. Symptom 5 साल के बाद ही आता है. That is even what Healy does. When you analyze through Healy, there is no symptom, but it will. So you can also analyze your body. You can scan your body. You can create your life. Choices चाहिए, belief system चाहिए, repetition चाहिए, perseverance चाहिए. उसके बगैर ये नहीं हो सकता है. So yes, at that time it was a few cases which I had taken of conjunctivitis and बहुत सारी. Conjunctivitis was like, मेरा खुद conjunctivitis मैंने hardly a few hours में ख़त्म किया था, and a lot of other patients have got so okay, I'll stop sharing screen over here. Okay, so I'll just, what I want to emphasize over here is that everything today when I have spoken to you, it was the chakras, it was just touching on, it just tip on the iceberg. कि हमने सिर्फ थोड़ी थोड़ी चीज़ों को हमने देखा है कि how does the chakras work? Thoughts and emotions. How does visualization work? Thoughts and emotions. So eventually अगर हम वापस घूम घाम के आते हैं तो एक ही चीज़ होती है. Everything depends on what you are thinking, what you are creating through your thoughts. So अगर हम simply बोले you just have to change your thoughts to change your lives. Unless and until you change your thoughts, you don't. And I do accept the fact कि आपके विचार कोई स्विच नहीं है कि आपने ऑफ कर दिया, ऑन कर दिया और बंद हो गया, वो चालू हो गया. ये प्रोसेस है. Because whenever people have come to me with chronic ailments, या chronic relationship issues, for example, I have dealt with a lot of especially mother-in-law usually होते हैं. Here if I'm telling the daughter-in-law, उसको मैं visualization session दे रही हूँ कि you have to visualize your mother-in-law is very nice and she's helping you out and the relationship between you all is beautiful, cordial है, friendship बहुत strong है, blah blah blah. And बहुत सुंदर session दिया मैंने यहाँ पे. घर गई, घंटी बजाई and the mother-in-law is screaming at her and she tells me, you know what, मैं वहाँ पे गई थी and this happened. No, because वो भी belief system आपने ही create. Honestly, in my 36 years of practice in homeopathy बोलो और in my at least 25 years of practice in the science of thoughts, emotions, quantum energy, ये research पे मैंने देखा और मैं I tell people very very clearly, if some has a problem, if you have a problem with someone and that person is misbehaving with you, no, ठीक है भाई, ये देखो मेरे से बदतमीजी करता है एंड और कोई बोलेगा नहीं ये तो बदतमीज है ही नहीं, ये एटीट्यूड वाला है ही नहीं, ये तो बहुत अच्छा है. नहीं, मेरे साथ तो करता ही है. ये इसलिए करता है कि कहीं ना कहीं एज वी सेड वी आर द ट्रांसमिशन टावर. सो मैं मेरी एनर्जी क्या ट्रांसमिट कर रही हूँ मैं, दैट ऑफ कि ये मेरे साथ बदतमीजी करेगा तथास्तु. Whatever you're strongly creating in your mind with emotion, universe does only one thing, tathastu. So what is it that you want tathastu in your life? What is it that you want to achieve in your life as a strong manifestation as your desire, as what you like to live. Every aspect, don't see just one aspect कि भाई नहीं मुझे पैसे चाहिए तो मैं सिर्फ उसके ऊपर काम करने वाला हूँ. When we are talking about the seven, all the seven chakras have to be aligned. Because अगर आप पैसे के बारे में सोचोगे नो आई वांट टू जस्ट गेट डिवाइनली कनेक्टेड, नहीं नहीं नहीं, अगर आप पूजा पाठ और उसी में रहेंगे तो आप संत बन जाइए. Then you cannot know anything about how life works. And if you only remain grounded, no, everything perfect, you cannot achieve dream. You cannot visualize, you cannot think. एक सपना चाहिए, एक गोल चाहिए, एक सारी चीजों में बैलेंस चाहिए. Only then can your life be complete and balanced. Without that, you cannot have anything in excess, you cannot less. So you got to strike a balance in that. And isliye again, as and you know why I like to repeat, because everything has to be repeated to get stuck in. You can't just say yeah nahi. Even aaj ke baad I would like you all to actually put this in a practice. And only then can you start achieving things. I would just give a very, very short a session on just gratitude and getting a little into stillness. First aspect, unless and until you don't get into a stability of thoughts, a stillness of thoughts, second part doesn't work. So what we'll do is a very short 3 से 4 मिनट का एक हम सेशन करेंगे जहाँ पे you will be only focusing on your breath. Because can I know how many people are doing meditation regularly and are feeling comfortable by it? Anybody can tell me?
हाँ सारा मैडम मैंने किए हैं मेडिटेशन.
रोज करते हैं, होता है आपसे?
अभी नहीं करते. हाँ लेकिन बहुत गैप हो गया, इसका कंटिन्यू नहीं रहता. यस पता है.
डिफिकल्टी मेडिटेशन जो नहीं कर पाते, मैं करने को बैठती हूँ लेकिन नहीं होता है, मैं बहुत कोशिश करता हूँ. Anyone that kind who would like to start? I mean, of course, Amar ji was तो एकदम ही हमारे यहाँ are stalwarts in meditation. So we will do this for people who find it difficult, because yes, when I started meditation, मेरी तो बहुत difficult गया. और actually, to be honest, visualization में मैं इसीलिए आई because मैं meditate नहीं कर पाती. So meditation itself क्या है? Today when we are talking about meditation, is not just complete going stillness of thoughts. वो level पहुंचने के लिए years and years लगते हैं. बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है visualization. So I would advise be a guided meditation. You must listen to some guided meditation for visualization. Reason is, we do visualization because you want to program your mind for something particular that you choose. Subconscious program सबसे बड़ा I would say necessity जो है, what is required is basically one, it has to be repetition. Second, it has to be verbatim the same. जो टेप चलती है उसमें ध इमका डिमका कुछ भी फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. Exactly the same thing has to be as a record in your mind for it to become a program. Which is why अगर आप कोई guided meditation सुनते हैं, उसे ही repeat रोज करेंगे तो it will become only then it will work. Then there comes meditation. Actually, basically, is something like focus. If you're reading a book and you're completely focused in the book, even that is a kind of meditation. You're taking a walk and up total walk pe concentrate. Like I see a lot of people, in fact, most of the people, those who are walking, I see them walk करते हैं, बातें करते हैं सारी. I would prefer कि if अगर मैं walk करती हूँ for my health, I would not walk with anyone. I would walk alone because I want that to be a complete 100% focus. Why am I walking? Just for physical stamina, for physical health, for losing weight. I would keep that as a focus and then walk. I wouldn't walk otherwise because then it is just walking. फर्क पड़ता है, लेकिन फर्क और जल्दी पड़ेगा अगर आप focused रहते हैं. Focus is the most important. So all these things are meditation. The most beautiful meditation is the breath work meditation. That meditation is something जब आप आपकी सांस के breath के साथ connect होते हैं. On every breathing in and breathing out, आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ उसके ऊपर जब आप फोकस रखते हैं. What is breath? Breath is energy. There comes a time, it takes time, this takes time, ये इतना जल्दी नहीं होता है. So जब आप सिर्फ and you focus on the breath going in and breath going out. Even जब आप ये कर रहे हो, even at that point of time, आपके थॉट्स यहाँ आ जाएंगे. आप यहाँ पे सांस अंदर बाहर करते हो, लेकिन आपको कुछ विचार आ जाएंगे, अरे यार ये भी बाकी है, वापस लेकर आओ. That's the reason I said it takes time. You keep getting your focus back on your breath, focus back on your breath. And as we said, repetition and practice is mastery. When you come to the mastery of this, जो 2 मिनट से चालू करेंगे, 5 मिनट तक करेंगे, 10 मिनट तक, when you're coming up to about 15 to 20 minutes of focusing on your breath, trust me, it's the most beautiful experience of your life. Because I've experienced this, I've made people experience this. जब आप breath से connect हो जाते हो तो literally मैं देखती भी हूँ, मेरा भी होता है. अब सांस ऐसे लेते लेते सिर्फ फोकस ब्रेथ ब्रेथ ब्रेथ. देयर कम्स अ टाइम जहाँ हम ये देखते हैं, देयर इज कंप्लीट स्टिलनेस. यानी आपको लगता है कि ये सांस ले रहा है, नहीं ले रहा है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, लिटरली ये थम जाता है. दैट्स व्हेन यू कम इनटू कंप्लीट स्टिलनेस ऑफ थॉट्स एंड यू बिकम कंप्लीटली वन विथ योर ब्रेथ. And the time you become one with your breath, breath is energy. You have become one with your energy, which means you have become energy. When you become energy, you become expansive. You are beyond, because actually we are not just physical beings, we are limitless beings with a physical body. ये सिर्फ बॉडी हमें एक फिजिकल लिमिटेशन में लाता है. In all truth and honesty, we are nothing but energy. You break us down to molecules, atoms, subatom. Subatom is nothing but 99.9999999 air. So actually we are energy in a physical body. So आप जब energy से connect हो जाते हो, completely you become one with your breath. You become the energy itself. And that is when you become beyond your physical body. That is when you become completely one with the beautiful universe. And because universe has all the possibilities, you can start retrieving as a part of your own self. So if you ask me, that is one of the most beautiful meditation, and yet a little difficult meditation. Not impossible, but a little difficult, and it needs practice. That's the meditation जो हमारे योगीज और संत वगैरह जो करते हैं हिमालयस पे, घंटे तक बैठते हैं. And they are the ones, if you see, they don't look the age, because every cell, and because when you are into that deep level of meditation, You are into complete delta and theta state. You've gone beyond alpha and you've gone into delta theta state. And delta theta state में आपकी cells are continuously getting energized, getting repaired. Your cells get the youth. आपकी anti-aging therapy है ये. So you need to have that as a practice and trust me, every person can do it. First belief system में से निकाल दो, यार मेरे से तो ये होगा ही नहीं, मुझे तो इतने विचार आते हैं, मेरे से तो होगा ही नहीं. यूनिवर्स सेज तथास्तु, कभी नहीं होगा. आपकी फर्स्ट एफर्मेशन से आई एम एबल टू मेडिटेट नाउ, मैं अब बहुत सुंदर मेडिटेशन कर पाती हूँ, मेरे दिमाग मेरे सारे विचार स्थिर हो रहे हैं. तो ये पहले एफर्मेशंस चालू करें, ये एफर्मेशंस रिपीट करें बिफोर स्टार्टिंग योर मेडिटेशन. एंड देन ग्रेजुअली बिगिन बाय 1 minute to 2 minutes, then increase it to, and जब तक ये 1 and 2 minutes का आपका सक्सेस एक 10-15 दिन तक नहीं हो जाता है, जहाँ 2 मिनट में टोटल स्टिलनेस आ गया, don't go on to 3 and 5 minutes. Take every 1 or 2 minutes as it comes. You have to achieve stillness of mind and thoughts for 2 minutes before you go on to 4 minutes and 5 minutes. And believe me, I cannot, मैं बता नहीं सकती, बयान नहीं कर सकती, ये चीज़ एहसास करने की है. It is profound. It is something like when you come back from your meditation, you feel you are the most liberated, you are the most, there is nothing more beyond you, you are just the ultimate. It's so beautiful, it's so profound. Literally ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये सब चीज़ क्या हो गया है. This is the level this meditation can take you. So we shall just give it a try of say 2 to 3 minutes. We won't go beyond because I don't want you all to go beyond also. Okay? So हम पहले our anything. When you want to listen to a radio channel, आपको रेडियो सिटी सुनना है तो आप 98 नहीं लगाएंगे, आप 91.1 लगाएंगे, परफेक्ट सुनाई देगा. 91.2 या 3 होगा तो थोड़ा सा डिस्टर्बेंस होगा, वापस 91.1 लाना पड़ेगा. तो उसी हिसाब से अगर हमें भी एक चैनल बन जाना है तो अपने आप को ट्यून करना है. ट्यून कैसे करेंगे? आपका ट्रांसमिशन टीवी टावर से तो मिलता है, लेकिन टीवी ऑन करने के बाद ही आपको पिक्चर दिखेगा. सो व्हाट इज अ ट्यूनिंग? दैट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग व्हिच वी मिस आउट ऑन. दैट इज व्हाट यू want and you create as an intention. So your intention will be, I am at complete peace and silence of thoughts in my mind. So you start with the intention. And I would request everyone now to close their eyes. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out, relax it deeper, deeper, deeper. Breathing in, breathing out. Focus पूरा ध्यान सिर्फ अपनी सांसों पे. सांस अंदर लीजिए, छोड़िए. उसे देखिए, सांस को देखिए, अंदर लेते छोड़ते हुए पूरे डीप आपके कोर में जा रहा है, डीप इनटू योर बॉडी, इनटू योर बीइंग, इनटू योर सोल। वहां से पूरी सांस बाहर आ रही है। ये सिर्फ सांस पे फोकस करें, अंदर और बाहर। कोई भी विचार आते हैं, एनी थॉट्स दैट कम, अलाउ इट टू पास। उस पे ध्यान न देते हुए दोबारा अपना ध्यान अपनी सांसों पे लाइए। Breathe in. Out. If and when you're ready, open your eyes. Can anyone tell me if you felt any bit of difference सिर्फ ये स्टिलनेस पे लाने के लिए? सब है कि सब सो गए? क्या है?
है ना, सब है हमारा।
सब सो गए।
सब गए हो गए।
रवि कैसे लगा?
बस बढ़िया एकदम। हाँ, भूल गया था कहाँ था।
अच्छा, इसलिए आई नहीं ना वापस, मुझे बुलाना पड़ा। जेनी मैम कैसे लगा?
एकदम परफेक्ट मैडम, एकदम मस्त।
मुझे ये बताइए कि ये करते समय डिड यू एक 0.1 सेकंड के लिए भी सारे विचार गायब हुए कि विचार आ रहे थे?
एक्चुअली सर्टेनिटी गायब होते ही नहीं है, कुछ कम हो जाते हैं। मतलब हम
कुछ पोर्शन के लिए हो गए थे सारे विचार।
एज अ प्रैक्टिस अगर हम इसे रेगुलर करते हैं, बिलीव मी, इसलिए मैंने क्या बताया कि इसको रोज करना है। इसे एक्चुअली डेली आप करेंगे। ये जब बोलते ना पूरी तरह से खत्म नहीं होते, मेरी आपको गारंटी है कि हो जाए, बट इट हैज टू बी डन डेली। एंड कोई भी चीज अचीव करने के लिए 21 डेज इज अ मस्ट, नॉट 1 डेज गैप इन 21 डेज। एनीथिंग बॉडी का नियम है और एक सिस्टम है कि जब 21 दिन एक हैबिट फॉर्म होने के लिए होता है, तो एक नई हैबिट के लिए जो अगर पुरानी हैबिट बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है तो नई हैबिट को क्रिएट करने में हो सकता है 21 दिन से ज़्यादा भी लगे। इट ऑल डिपेंड्स कि आपकी बिलीफ सिस्टम कितनी स्ट्रॉन्ग बन गई है, उसमें सारी चीज़ें इतनी ज़्यादा डेवलप हो गई है और बन गई है कि एक नई चीज़ क्रिएट करने में हो सकता है टाइम लगेगा, लेकिन गारंटी से होगा। क्योंकि एज अ डॉक्टर इट्स वेरी नाइस एंड मुझे करना भी चाहिए ना, ये तो पेशेंट ही भाग जाएंगे मेरे पास से। तो आप आते हैं, अच्छा मुझे थोड़ी सी एसिडिटी है, हाँ एसिडिटी है। देखो अगर रवि मेरे पास नहीं आएंगे ना तो ये एसिडिटी से ना उसके बाद अल्सर्स भी हो जाएंगे। अब मैंने अगर ये बीज बो दिया, मैंने तो बीज बो दिया, रवि बोलेगा कि अब हाँ यहाँ से मेरे को पेट में भी कुछ लग रहा है, आई थिंक अल्सर बन गया। एक्चुअली कोई अल्सर बनने की जरूरत नहीं थी। ये मैंने जब थॉट रवि को बोला कि ये एसिडिटी कल उठकर अल्सर में जाएगा, तो ये रवि के दिमाग में ये एक बीज बो दिया कि एसिडिटी विल बी क्रिएटेड इनटू एन अल्सर। सो ये कंटिन्यूसली उसके चलते रहता होगा सबकॉन्शियस में, कहीं ना कहीं दिस डॉक्टर टोल्ड मी एसिडिटी के बाद अल्सर, एसिडिटी के बाद अल्सर। सो ही इज गोइंग टू क्रिएट द अल्सर जहाँ के अल्सर की कोई जरूरत नहीं थी। सो सिमिलरली आपकी जो क्रॉनिक एलिमेंट्स जो है, रूमेटिज्म है, एंड फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट जितना भी कुछ मैंने स्टडी किया इन दिस 36 इयर्स मेरे पेशेंट्स और उनकी सिम्टम्स के अंदर भी जो मैंने आई हैव कंक्लूडेड कि एवरी आपकी सारी बीमारियां हैं, इट इज़ ऑल रिलेटेड टू सम इमोशंस। जैसे आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट योर चक्रस ऑल्सो। सो आई हैव सीन जिनको जोड़ों में दर्द है, द रिजिडिटी ऑफ जॉइंट्स इज ऑलवेज रिजिडिटी ऑफ माइंड, बदलने को तैयार नहीं है इंसान। गुस्सा, एंगर, एसिडिटी, बहुत ज़्यादा क्रोध, और आप किसी को गिव अप नहीं करना चाहिए, और या ना उसके साथ आपको बिटरनेस भी रहती है, हेट्रेड भी रहती है, एक बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग नेगेटिव दैट टर्न्स इनटू ट्यूमर, कैंसर। सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर अल्टीमेटली योर क्रिएशन। एंड अगर ये हमारा क्रिएशन है, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई हम अनक्रिएट नहीं कर सकते हैं। इसलिए एनी टाइम व्हेन आई गेट केसेस ऑफ, स्पेशली आई लव वर्किंग विद द माइंड। माई strength is mainly anything related to stress and mind. That's even patients and all. I love treating all those kind of cases. आप depressed बोलो, schizophrenia बोलो, all this. So even how do you think a schizophrenia and a I agree कि chemical imbalances हैं, लेकिन अचानक chemical imbalance क्यों होना चाहिए? कभी ये सोचा है आप लोगों ने? इसलिए क्योंकि एक नहीं, आई हैव सीन सेवरल केसेस इन माय 36 इयर्स ऑफ प्रैक्टिस, एंड इसलिए दुख होता है और एक गुस्सा भी आता है हम डॉक्टर्स के ऊपर भी। आई नो ऑफ अ वेरी वेरी ब्रिलियंट लेडी, शी वाज ब्रिलियंट एज अ कॉलेज स्टूडेंट इन US। आज अभी वो दुबई में है, बट बीइंग वेरी ब्रिलियंट एंड उनकी एग्जाम्स आने थी तो उसकी इतनी पढ़ाई हुई नहीं थी। अब इतनी पढ़ाई नहीं हुई थी तो because she used to always feel she has to top, and because इतना नहीं किया था तो उसको ऐसा लगा यार इस बार मेरे से अच्छा नहीं होगा। So because of that she was feeling a little low and fear कि I don't know, I'll not be able to do well. And उसी समय कैंपस में there was some kind of seminar going on into depression के बारे में। She attended that. तो जो भी वहाँ बोल रहे थे she could correlate. At that time she was low, उसको fear था, but that was because she had not studied. So when she was listening to that seminar, she felt कि यार हाँ मुझे ऐसा भी हो रहा है, ऐसा भी हो रहा है, ऐसा भी। So she actually thought क्या मुझे डिप्रेशन है। She went to a psychiatrist and she then told all, एक तो वो पूरी चीज़ें सुनी थी, फिर कोरिलेट कर दी और थोड़ा सा एनफोर्स हो गया। वो जाकर वो दोहराए तो वो भी हाँ, yes, you're feeling low, you're feeling fear, you're you have depression. एंटी डिप्रेशंस दे दिए, प्रिस्क्रिप्शन भी दे दिया, डिप्रेशन एंड एंटी डिप्रेशन। अब जो लो फीलिंग क्या आपको और मेरे को नहीं होती है क्या? समटाइम वी डोंट ऑल द टाइम गेट अप चर्पी एंड फाइन। अरे यार आज धंधा पानी ठीक से नहीं हुआ तो थोड़ा रवि को भी लो फील, उसका मतलब है कि रवि इज गॉन इनटू डिप्रेशन? सॉरी, नो, इट्स वन ऑफ दोस बैड डेज व्हिच एवरी वन ऑफ अस हैव। बट व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट वी, if at all, I've got authority as a doctor, so I write कि हाँ you've got depression, and मेरे तो authority है और आप तो मेरे पास faith पे आए। Yes, she has also written I've got depression. See, मुझे depression है, मुझे मालूम था मेरे को depression है। तो ये बार बार मुझे depression इतना चलते जाता है। आपके फ्रेंड क्या हो गया, सी हाँ द डॉक्टर्स हैव गॉट डिप्रेशन. I have got depression has been repeated so many times in your mind, जो कि एक मामूली लो फीलिंग था बदल गया डिप्रेशन में. और दे क्या रहे हैं, एंटी डिप्रेसेंट. कहीं का एंटी डिप्रेसेंट दे रहे हो, कहाँ से डिप्रेशन खत्म होने वाला है. जब एक बार रिकॉर्ड से आपने बीज तो बो दिया, अब बीज डिप्रेशन का बो दिया है, एंटी डिप्रेशन कहाँ से होना है. केले का झाड़ उगाया है तो एप्पल्स नहीं मिलने हैं, तो मैंने बीज बो दिया है. फिर क्या होता है कि नाउ द मेडिसिन्स आर देयर एंड यू आर गोइंग डीपर एंड डीपर इनटू विच स्टेट, बीटा. बीटा में कॉर्टिसोल रिलीज हो रहा है, बॉडी इम्यूनिटी वैसे ही खत्म हो रही, अल्फा स्टेट खत्म होते जा रहा है, दिया मेलेटोनिन एंड सेरोटोनिन रिलीज नहीं होगा, जो कि हेल्प्स इन गेटिंग यू आउट ऑफ डिप्रेशन एंड कीप्स यू वेल एंड हैप्पी. दैट इज गॉन, दैट इज गेटिंग रिड्यूस. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम ये मेडिसिन्स इफेक्ट कम हो जाता है, you go, the medicines go higher and higher. I had this girl come to me, she was a student and 15 years में now she's a lady, she's become a schizophrenic. अब ना just correlate this all these things because मैंने है ना ये पूरी चीज़ों को क्वांटम, होम्योपैथी, DMIT, चक्रस सबका ओवरऑल स्टडी किया है, which is all intertwined. When she came to me, she's in Dubai, but she had come over here to stay for a month. She came to me, I did her DMIT. Now DMIT में I realized उसके patterns जो है, and she's an auditory. उसको सुनाई दिया when she heard from the doctor, when she heard from the seminar, she heard I've got depression. Because auditory, she was picking up things faster. उसके patterns ऐसे थे कि जो एक बार अंदर जाता है बाहर निकलता भी नहीं है. Now when she came to me as a schizophrenic, auditory है, schizophrenia में imaginations आते हैं. So because a schizophrenic who was hearing things, she used to hear and she continuously मेरे पास आते, ये as if कि वो सुन रहे हैं, ऐसे करते गई. A schizophrenic I've seen who is visual, he starts imagining and seeing people. So I could realize that DMIT helps me a lot in analysis. So for me, DMIT has not only helped in career, ये the total personality in medically even help किया है, stress levels में help किया है. Chakras make me understand कि इसके emotions क्या है, कि ये बंदा का throat का problem है, यानी उसके suppression है, so you go back to what is suppression, you release that. So overall, which is why today I realized कि yes, what is holistic healing and what is holistic health, what is holistic living. So when we have people with a dietitians हमारे हैं, तो आपकी body की खुराक ठीक से होती है. People like Louise Hay, I don't know if you all have heard of her. She's written a beautiful book called Heal Yourself. उसे कैंसर हुआ था. She healed her cancer by just changing her diet and visualizing every part of her body, and she's in gratitude to her whole body, forgiveness and gratitude. She cured her cancer, cured. So in her book she's written कि उसका कैंसर का कारण भी उसने बताया था कि क्यों कैंसर हुआ, कौन से इमोशंस एंड थॉट्स ने कैंसर क्रिएट किया, and how she released it. Then you have people like Anita Moorjani. How she had cancer, she was on deathbed, on the ventilator, near-death experience. That's a different aspect altogether, where she got into a quantum leap. She was out of her body, the soul. वो एक दूसरी कहानी है which she's spoken beautifully of. She wanted to come back into a healed body. She did not want to come back into a sick body. पूरे sores थे उसके, open sores, all open, पूरे wounds, all organ failure. But her soul coming back into a body, wanting to come back into a healed body, she healed herself. The girl, the lady who was on ventilator, the doctor thought she had almost died, full cancerous body. She cured her cancer. She started healing in 8 to 10 days. She is 100% cancer cured, and she's a speaker now. What will it take you all to? ये तो कैंसर है, मैं तो उससे आपकी छोटी मोटी चीजें कोई बात कर रही हूँ. एक सरदर्द की या एक डायबिटीज की, वो don't you all think you all can cure it? Don't you think you can change your life? KFC at the age of 70 plus. In fact, he was going to commit suicide. And आज because he used to make those उसकी fried chicken was this, so he started. लेकिन उस belief system था. He created it over here and he changed. So there is everything available. There's every tool available for y'all out there. Make your choice. Come back into conscious awareness. मुझे क्या चाहिए वो तो पहले पूछो. Because जब मैंने in schools and banks वगैरह में मैंने जब पूछा था कि when I asked this question कि what is your goal, you know, so there was one teacher and she said I want to be a good human being. And I said okay, goal good human being means आज आप good human being नहीं हो. It means that. And there was a bank जिनकी सारी branches की they had all the MDs of all the various heads of different cities had come to Nagpur, and they had invited me as a speaker, and the person who was with me on the dais was the head. I asked him, I said, sir, what is your goal? Ma'am, goal क्या है? My children should be educated, daughter should be married. Oh, that's your goal. Come on. That's your life. That's the way of your life. वो तो आपकी जिंदगी है. तो पैसे कमाने हैं, बच्चे पैदा करके तो उसको तो ठीक से एडुकेट करके बच्ची की शादी करनी, वो गोल नहीं होता है. If I just come to, it's towards the end of my 2 घंटे का टाइम भी हो रहा है. If I just touch a little on spirituality and karmic journey, your goal is the purpose of your life which you are already born with. आप वो ब्लूप्रिंट लेकर पैदा हो चुके हैं, आपकी चॉइसेस लेकर पैदा हुए, बिकॉज यहाँ पे आकर आपकी बिलीफ सिस्टम्स फॉर्म होना चालू हो गया विद योर पेरेंट्स, योर फ्रेंड्स, योर ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. यू फॉरगॉटन कि यू कम विद अ पर्पस. वो रह जाता है, तो वो वापस याद करो कि if today I am a speaker and I have gone into my inward journey, so I know my purpose. My purpose today is not just to motivate you, not just as a doctor, not just as a healer, but to create an awareness. And I've actually gone into deep study of myself. I've gone on to my karmic level of why was I born and for what was I born, and why spirituality became a part of my life, why homeopathy became only a part and not my practice completely. I've actually gone into that, and everyone can. There is a way. There is a way. इनफैक्ट एक डिवाइस मैं यूज़ करती थी, SE5 रेडियोनिक्स, वो भी मेरे पास था. आई सेंट इट ऑफ टू बैंगलोर, एंड उसमें हमारी जो ट्रेनिंग दी गई थी, इट कम फ्रॉम US, डॉन पेरिस, एंड ही हैड गिवन अस वन ऑफ द मोस्ट अमेजिंग he actually made us on that SE5 find out कि मेरा जो पेन नी में था बहुत साल पहले, वो कौन सी सदी में आया था. कैन यू बिलीव? you all think I'm mad, but yes, I could radiate it, go down to which lifetime में से मैंने pick up. past life therapies तो होती है, from which lifetime you have got your issue, you can get into that. There are things available for you all, but you are not even aware of it. चलो ठीक है ना, वो सब छोड़ दो. you don't need to go into past life and वो find out करो. अभी heal तो हो जाओ. एंड इन फैक्ट टू द लेवल आई नो कि मेरी लाइफ भी कितनी है, वो भी मैंने पता कर दिया है कि इसके बाद मेरी लाइफ कितनी है, कि ये मेरी लास्ट लाइफ है. आई एम ऑल्सो अवेयर ऑफ दैट, एंड यू ऑल कैन मेक इट. सो देयर आर, एंड आई हैव बीन अक्रॉस, आई हैव मेट पीपल, आई हैव सीन दीज अमेजिंग टूल्स ऑल्सो. ये मेरा ये तो बेचारा इतना छोटा सा है, हीली. This is just one small thing. In spite of the fact it is one of the most beautiful tools I'm using now, with patients and with myself and my house. I've seen the effect. 1,44,000 frequencies आपकी बॉडी की है. अगर आपके पास ये है, you don't need to go to a doctor in the next 6 months. You start using all the, because आपकी सारी बॉडी की सेल्स. ये छोटा सा है, इसका बिग, दिस इज समथिंग स्मॉल. ये जहाँ से आया है टाइम वेव है, तो 6 लाख फ्रीक्वेंसीज. देयर समथिंग एक और है, SE5 है, you name it, plants, animals, buildings, body, everything can be worked on. They are not using, they have seen SE5 से जो खेत जो है without any kind of chemicals, only the energy of the जो खत चाहिए, जो what they need for the growth, they are sending energy. We have people with Reiki and Pranic over here. So you can understand that you can actually, when I'm sitting over here and my Pranic or Reiki say I can heal somebody in US, what am I doing? Transforming energy. But before that, I have to become so strong. And if I can do it, if Amar can do it, if Sanjay can do it, I'm asking you, why can't you all do it? Each and every one over here can be a healer. Open your channels. आपके channels बंद है because आपकी belief system बनी हुई है कि मैं तो सिर्फ कंप्यूटर बेच सकता हूँ, मैं लैपटॉप बेच सकता हूँ. रवि बोलेगा मेरे से ये सारी चीजें कहाँ से होंगी? I am not made for all this thing, but why? You also have 7 chakras. I also have 7 chakras. You also have a brain. I have a brain. But your belief system isn't that. My belief system is this. That's the only difference between you and me. Nothing else. But I know I can do everything. And that's the reason I'm able to do. So every one of us over here, every Sampark member, जितने हमारे 250-300 जितने हैं, not only Sampark, it's my aim and mission in life to make each one a master in themselves. I don't want to create followers, I'll create masters. Each one of us can be a master. Make your choice. Open your channels. Change your thoughts and change your life. Thank you so much for giving me this beautiful opportunity. Any questions can be put forth, or I'm always available for you all. For anything that you need, any of my services, it will be my pleasure. Whether it's DMIT, whether it's SE5, whether it's visualization, whether it's karmic cord cutting sessions भी मैं कराती हूँ. जहाँ आपकी karmic journey में जहाँ अटके हैं, you can go beyond. That's another very beautiful session. Goal settings, personality grooming, all through visualizations, different meditations, and all that. So yeah, thank you all so much.